Hi, this is our channel Global Incredible Information. Today we are going to discuss about top 9 strongest cyclone in India. So friends, we have all heard of a cyclone ahead. We will discuss it later. Until then, we will know that the cyclone which have already become very large in India. So, India is a country in the North Indian Ocean that is the most vulnerable to getting hit by tropical cyclones from the east or from west. On average, 2 to 3 tropical cyclones make landfall in India each year. Then we will know a little bit about cyclone. Cyclones are strong spiraling winds characterized by a low pressure and numerous thunderstorms. Here is the list of strong tropical cyclones in India. At first, we come to the recent cyclones a few days ago. That was Cyclone Taukte, 2021. It was a very severe cyclonic storm of 2021, impacting the Indian states of Kerala, Karnataka, Goa, Gujarat, also the Lakshadweep, Dadra, Daman and Diu, with heavy rainfall and floods. The cyclonic storm Taukte is the first very severe storm of 2021 North Indian Ocean cyclone season from the Arabian Sea. Taukte resulted in at least 169 deaths in India and left another 81 people missing. The city experienced that the wind speed was 170 km per hour. So it was the most powerful storm. Second is Cyclone Amphan 2020. It was a very powerful tropical cyclone of 2020, rising over the Bay of Bengal, around the state of Odisha and West Bengal in India. The super cyclonic storm Amphan is the first super cyclonic storm and also first pre-monsoon super cyclone of this century. South Chব্বিশ Pargona, North Chব্বিশ Pargona, Odisha were affected by the cyclone. On 20 May, the cyclone made landfall in West Bengal. People experienced that in this storm the winds to be 155 km per hour. Third is Cyclone Foni 2019. It is extremely severe cyclone and was the strongest tropical cyclone around the Indian states of Odisha and Andhra Pradesh and first severe cyclone storm of 2019 in India. Odisha, West Bengal, Andhra Pradesh, Bangladesh were affected by this cyclone. Its highest wind speed was 250 km per hour. Is Cyclone Oki 2017. It was the most intense and the most strongest tropical cyclone of North Indian Ocean cyclone season. Oki from the Arabian Sea affected India along with coastal areas of Kerala, Tamil Nadu and Gujarat. Oki originated from an area of low pressure that formed over the southwest Bay of Bengal. Many areas were affected, like southern India, Sri Lanka, Maldives. Its wind speed was 155 km per hour. Fifth is Cyclone Varda 2016. It was the most intense tropical cyclone of 2016, North Indian Ocean cyclone. Cyclone Varda brought heavy rainfall to Andaman and Nicobar Islands, then crossed the eastern coast of India. Chennai, Visakhapatnam, many areas were affected by this cyclone. Highest wind speed was 130 km per hour. Sixth is Cyclone Hudhud 2014. It was a strong tropical cyclone done damage to Visakhapatnam city of Andhra Pradesh and loss of life in eastern India and Nepal during October 2014. It originated from low pressure system that formed under the influence of an upper air cyclonic circulation in the Andaman Sea. Its wind speed was 215 km per hour. Andhra Pradesh, Visakhapatnam, Uttar Pradesh and more areas were affected in this cyclone. The seventh is Cyclone Phelan. It was the strongest tropical cyclone to make landfall in India. Officially from Odisha state government said that around 12 million people may be affected. The cyclone prompted India's biggest cyclone in 23 years, with more than 5,50,000 people moved up from the coastline in Odisha. Its wind speed was 260 km per hour. Odisha were mainly affected in this storm. Eighth is Cyclone Vola, 1970. It was deadliest cyclone that affected India. The storm formed over the Bay of Bengal and one of the deadliest natural disaster in India. It was the strongest storm of 1970 North Indian Ocean cyclone season. It made landfall in Bangladesh. It killed from 3 lakh to 5 lakh people. It holds the world record as the deadliest storm. Highest wind was 185 km per hour. India and Bangladesh mostly affected in this storm. And last but not the least, Yash, which is most discussed now. The regional meteorological department has predicted that super cyclone Yash is likely landfall in Sundarban areas between 24 May to 25th May, possibly move towards to Bangladesh. The low pressure area is likely to form over east central Bay of Bengal. It is the second cyclone in India. May see the past 1 month after cyclone Taute. So that is all that has been known so far. Maybe we are going to see this with our own eyes. Hopefully guys, we will all be fine. So the discussion ended here today. We will come again the next day with an interesting topic. So stay with us until then. And if you like our content, you will definitely like, comment and share it. And also subscribe this channel, and to get all the notifications of this channel, so please click the bell button. Thank you.